One sunny morning in Melbourne, Jacklyn and Damian visited their uncle Tony, who was a tram driver. "Let's take a ride on my tram today," Uncle Tony said. "But to make it fun, I've hidden some maths clues around the city for you to solve." Excited, Jacklyn and Damian hopped onto the famous City Circle Tram. As the tram rolled down Flinders Street, Uncle Tony handed them their first clue. If you add the number of wheels on two trams, subtract 1, and then divide by 2, what do you get? Jacklyn quickly counted. A tram has 4 wheels. So, 2 trams have 8 wheels. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 divided by 2 is... Damian grinned. "That means we must have made a mistake. Let's try again." After a few tries, they realized the answer should be 4. Each tram had 4 wheels per side. "Well done," said Uncle Tony. "Now, let's go to the next stop, Queen Victoria Market." At the Queen Victoria Market, they found Auntie Sophie at her bakery stall. "I hear you two are solving maths clues today," she said, handing them another one. "If I bake 24 cupcakes and sell half, how many do I have left?" Damian quickly answered, 12. "Great job. Now, what if I bake another 12 cupcakes and sell half of them?" Jacklyn thought for a moment. "That's 12 plus 12, which makes 24. If you sell half, you'll have 12 left again." Auntie Sophie clapped. "Perfect. Maths is everywhere, even in baking." Their next clue led them to Federation Square, where they spotted different shapes in the buildings. Uncle Tony asked, "How many triangles can you count on that building?" Jacklyn and Damian stared at the patterned building and counted the triangles. "There are 16 triangles," Damian said. "Correct. Architects use shapes and patterns to build strong buildings," Uncle Tony explained. For the final challenge, Uncle Tony took them to the Melbourne Star observation wheel. "How many passenger cabins are there?" he asked. Jacklyn and Damian read a sign and found the answer. "There are 21 cabins." "That's right," Uncle Tony said. "Now, let's solve one last question. If each cabin can hold 6 people, how many people can ride the Melbourne Star at one time?" Damian did some quick maths. 21 cabins times 6 people. That's 126 people. "Excellent!" Uncle Tony cheered. "You've completed the Melbourne Maths adventure." As they rode the Melbourne Star, looking over the city, Jacklyn smiled. "Maths is everywhere in Melbourne." Damian nodded. "And it makes exploring even more fun." Moral of the story: maths is not just in books, it's everywhere in real life, from transport and shopping to baking and buildings. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.